When was the last time you interacted with a kiosk? Chances are it was pretty recently. From airports to restaurants and now automotive repair shops, kiosks are becoming the norm. And it's pretty clear to see why. They're fast, easy, and convenient. What's not to love? By now, you've seen how kiosks improve your experience as a customer firsthand. But do you know how they can help you scale your shop's operations? Let's dive into some quick benefits of self-service kiosks. First things first, efficiency. This one's a no-brainer. Kiosks save time. You know the morning rush is neither yours nor your customer's favorite thing. The lines are long and people's coffee hasn't exactly kicked in yet. So make it easier on everyone with a kiosk. For your shop, your service advisors are freed up to turn their attention to other pressing needs while the kiosk takes care of your customer. For the customer, check-in has never been quicker or easier. To begin, they enter their phone number and the kiosk guides them through the rest. But faster check-ins aren't the only beneficial part for your shop. Your kiosk is also a master at sales. As customers are checking in, they will be prompted with past service recommendations. The decision to have these services performed lies in their hands, helping them feel more in control of their vehicle's health. Welcome Station kiosks can also prompt service recommendations based off season, weather, and location to help create upsell opportunities. Accuracy also gets an upgrade. You can ensure that all customer information is up to date and accurate with each customer visit. As customers are checking in, they can quickly review their personal information, make any updates, and then verify. This decreases the odds of errors, such as having an incorrect phone number. You know, items that would cost you time later on. Welcome Station kiosks captures email addresses too, so shops that manage email campaigns will have more recipients to reach out to. Time is money, and with a kiosk, you can save time while creating opportunities to sell more services. Best of all, impress your customers while making everyone's day easier. For more information about the benefits of kiosks, check out our blog. Automotive kiosks save time and boost upselling. And remember, Bolt-On is here to help grow your business.